My name's Emma. I am a yoga teacher from the Isle of Portland. It's just nice to be in community with people and practice together as a good, strong sense of encouragement. It was brilliant. It was fun, it was really relaxed. There was nothing that was too difficult, although I did feel really challenged, so that's always a nice feeling.
Yeah, my name's Robin. I played professional rugby for 10 years. Coming to do this handstand workshop today with Ben has been fantastic. My partner told me about it and thought, oh, that seems like a great way to spend a Sunday, and Ben was fantastic. He really helped make things fun, but he was very precise with his instruction, pointing out the little weaknesses and the bad habits, but making it fun and enjoyable. So there are lots of smiles in the room, and I'd definitely come back and do it again, and I'd recommend it to anybody else as well.
When you're spotting each other, you've got to help the person be on their balance point. If you hold them off like that, yeah, it's horrible. And if I hold her there, she can't do a handstand like that with all the will in the world. But if I help her be on that balance point, push as hard as you can, pressing your fingers, squeeze your bum, squeeze your abs. And now I've helped her be on that balance point, and now she's balancing. Yeah, yeah.
My name's Sam. I own a fitness business in Weymouth. I just wanted to kind of perfect some of the handstand work. It's been a great workshop, it's been really good fun, just had a really good time. It's very casual, which is good, it makes you feel at ease. It's very friendly and it's very laid back, which kind of brings the best out in you, I guess. Yeah.
Well, what we here today was I really want to improve my handstand practice. I'm fine with the wall, but I have such a fear of bringing my handstand to the middle of the room, and I just saw advertising for this workshop and I thought, give it a go. Ben's teaching technique did give me a lot more confidence today. It was really helpful working with a partner. I feel a little bit more confident than I did 4 hours ago. Definitely progress being made.
So today I took the class through a nice slow vinyasa yoga flow. Really worked on hamstring flexibility, hip mobility to get into the splits, and then a lot of back mobility and stability to hold some nice back bends, but getting in it safely so that nobody injured themselves. Then finish with a really nice relaxation, a bit of just trying to get everyone to try and relax, a little bit of a head massage, a little bit of body movement, and that was it.
It was really fun, but he was very safe. That's really important. I felt I was in really safe hands. He was watching everybody. There was nothing that went unnoticed. His alignment and his energy was just great. Yeah, he was cool.